Hey, what's up, folks? Today we're going to talk about drills. I have here standard twist drill from the machine shop, all right? And it's got some parts. So let's talk about these parts, okay? We've got flutes here, and these flutes form a helix around the drill. And this helix has a certain angle, right? That's called the helix angle. These are called lips. They call these lips. And this middle spot right here is called the web of the drill, and it contains a point called the chisel point. They call it the chisel edge, chisel point here. Now, let's talk about that for a second. The angle of your drill that the drill is sharpened at, that angle is important because think about chiseling something. When you chisel something, right? I'm just going to use, I don't know, this pen. When this pen, let's say it's a chisel, and I want to chisel something. If I'm going to chisel something, I can't go straight into the thing. I have to angle it and hit it from the end and scrape away at the material that I'm trying to take away, right? If I don't scrape and I just dig into it, that's a problem. And that angle matters. The angle on your twist drill matters because when this drill is spinning, these cutting edges are removing metal as the drill enters the material and is scraping away at it with these tips right here. It's chiseling away at the material. The angle at which it chisels matters. Harder materials need a broader angle. Softer materials can use a steeper angle. What else do we have here? We have what's called the shank. Now this shank is actually inside a collet. I can pop this off. This is so that it can be used on a lathe. Let's see what else we have. This is a tapered shank drill. They have straight shank drills, tapered shank drills. What else do we have here? We have a diameter on this drill to tell me what size hole it is going to drill, excuse me. And to find that out, I can mic it from corner to corner here. I could also use my trusty caliper, right? To measure this, I can actually close in on it like so from corner to corner. Actually, I'd rather do it this way. And then you want to rotate the drill inside the jaws of the caliper.